So now finally we need to create a visual which is going to show the total order, the total quantity order per territories. This is actually the last requirement which we need to fulfill. For this to happen, again, we will go to the data tab, we will go to sales. Let us see what kind of columns we have. So if you will see the columns, we have the order date, stock, order number, product key, customer key, territory key, order line, order quantity, etc., etc. So from here you can see that we are not having the name of the territory, but we have the territory key, and we have another table which is showing us the details about the territories, right? And we have also the sales territory key. So what we will use this column to create a relationship between those two tables, between the territory table and between the sales table. In this case, I will be able to find the name of the territory which is going to have the most or more kind of order quantity, right? So I will go to a relationship tab, and here I have my territories, right? I'm going to drag the sales territory key to the territory key from the sales. So in this case, I'm going to create a relationship between both tables, between the territory and the sales table. So now the relationship is successfully created. Now what I need to do, I need to go to report tab. Let me just make this a little bit smaller. So now the visual which we are going to use is map. I'm going to choose map as a visual, and let us see how we can show different sales orders or different quantity orders for each and every region. So in this case, I need to go to the territories. I'm going to choose country, so I'm going to check here. So this is actually the location, and I'm going to choose also from sales, I will choose the order quantity. So this is the order quantity. I will just have a check mark here, and let me make this somehow bigger. And now you can see the full map along with some circles. These circles represent the order quantity, and if you want to know the exact value, you can just hover your mouse and it will show you the order quantity. So here what happened is I can know which one is having, or which country is having more sales by checking the size of this circle, So immediately the moment I get this figure, immediately I will know that most of the orders are coming from United States, and then next is coming from Australia, etc., etc. So this is actually a very easy way to find out the highest order quantity per country or for different regions. I'm going to keep this one here, and with this we were able to fulfill all the requirements which were requested by a customer. I'm now able to find the order quantity per product name and also the return quantity per product name. I was able to find the total profit, and also I was able to find the total profit for different time interval. So if I'm going to change the time here, the time interval, everything on the report will also change. Everything on the report is going to apply a filter to show a value between a specific time, And also I was able to find or to create a visual which is representing the order quantity by category name and subcategory. Also I was able to create a visual which is going to show the order quantity per region or per country. Next, we are going to see how we can publish and share this report with different users.